You put on my safety. My safety. Yeah, it's day 2.
So that's pretty cool. So
Far, we've gotten 2 capacitors, 1 diode, or actually 3 capacitors and a diode.
all right. So now today, what are we gonna do?
So today we're hopefully gonna solder in these 2 transistors. Hopefully we're gonna solder in these transistors and hopefully get the resistors in.
Okay.
So yeah. Okay, so we have successfully tinned our iron, and we're gonna try to solder this, and this resistor. Hopefully, that's the plan.
All right, the plan.
Or maybe we could do more, if possible. I don't know. We'll just see how it goes. Focus. Okay.
A little more.
There you go. Like, move. Okay. Heat up the connection.
All right. Good. Right there.
Oh.
A little too much?
No, it's okay. Yeah, it's good. Okay, so yes, now we're gonna work on the resistors. So these are dog bone. Ignore that. These are dog bone resistors. Why they call them dog bone? They're a little bit different from your average resistor. So, what do you want to do first? The resistors or this resistor?
I think this resistor.
Okay.
Yeah.
You gotta bend the legs, the little legs. That's the wrong hole. This hole. And...
Good.
Check the tip. Make sure.
I can solder a little. I'm not solder. I can get it in a little bit. All right.
Okay, nice.
All right. So now.
Heat up the connection first.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then remove the solder.
I could do a little more.
Okay, just heat it up again and see if it. Just try heating it. Try to like.
Yeah, that's better.
Yeah. Sometimes you don't need to put that much solder. You just need to like use a soldering iron just to like move it around. So what you want to do in like situations like this, instead of leaning like this, you want to more like vertical like that. Okay. More vertical. Solder.
Ooh, that's a good solder.
Yeah. Capacitor here. There's like little pads on the thing. Okay, so the name tells us to put it like this, right?
Okay.
But there's these little pads. Do we solder it to the pads or do we solder it to the resistors? We're gonna solder this LED.
Yeah. All right, so what are we doing now?
Oh gosh, check my. You put in these little pins, I guess. I don't know how to put them in though. Oh, I know how to put them in. I'm stupid. I'm not stupid.
circuit that looks like a robot. As you can see here, I'm basically like the guy that does the whatever that's called, and like I'm a professional. And Sammy over here is my right man, my right hand man, whatever it's called. And yeah, we're working really hard over here.
Progress. Nice. So we're gonna work on this itsy bitsy thing. So we're gonna get our jumbo LEDs.
Yep.
Okay. Rubber eye insulator. Oh. Gotta put this in here. We're so close. This was so much fun.
Bring it back tomorrow.
No. Perfect. Dr. Jamali, we almost got the entire thing. Almost.
Okay, tomorrow. Keep it simple. And do tomorrow. Just
In a native hut all alone and blue.
You should like and subscribe, or else I'm gonna go to. I'm just kidding though. You should like and subscribe though.